Are your foods freezing inside the refrigerator compartment? Well, if they are, I have a solution for you. The first thing you're going to check is your temperature setting. Here we see that it's set all the way to as cold as it can be. So let's back it down to about the midway point. That should solve the problem. However, there are some other factors that could be causing the freezing problem inside your refrigerator, and that's a blocked air vent. Now here is where your air vents live. If you block the air vent, you are going to be getting only cold air coming from the freezer compartment. Make sure that the vents in your refrigerator are free and clear of any food products so that you can have good airflow. There's one other factor that could be causing the freezing. If you do not have water hooked up to your refrigerator and your ice maker is left in the on position, it's going to be constantly calling for ice. Well, if you're not using it, you might as well turn it off. And that should also help solve the icing problem inside your refrigerator.